Welcome to a world of excellence in HVAC and building automation controls. At Controls Group North America, we take pride in partnering with the finest vendors, and together with our dedicated Controls Group distributors, we deliver nothing but the best.
In this exclusive video, we shine a spotlight on one of our vendor superstars, showcasing their commitment to superior products, innovative solutions, and exceptional service. Join us as we unveil excellence with the best of the best.
All right, Eric Stromquist. I'm here with Matt Ingold from Yellowjacket, and I'm not talking about the TV series. I am talking about way better than the TV series, man. Yellowjacket, man. Matt, tell us something about Yellowjacket and what you guys do.
So Yellowjacket, all of our tools are made in the USA, and we specialize in about 7 different categories for service tools. So tools that are needed to install and also service HVAC, heating and cooling equipment.
So all you HVAC techs out there, listen up, man. Matt's got some good stuff for you, right?
Sure do.
Awesome, awesome. Well, Matt, you guys been members of CGNA for a while, man.
Correct.
Talk about CGNA. What do you like about it, and how's the show been for you so far?
Show's been going really well, good attendance. CGNA is a unique buying group that really focuses on controls, but they have other members as well. We've been a legacy vendor of them. We're one of the original members.
That's right. So thank you for that.
But you know, it's a great group of people. It's a very intimate buying group, so you get to know the owners of the businesses very well and form really good partnerships.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, well, man, you mind showing some of your products?
I do not at all. Sure. So very important, there's an industry change happening with refrigerant. Right now, the most common refrigerants in new residential and commercial equipment is 410A. Come January 1, 2025, the EPA, the government, has said that 410A cannot be any new equipment. So all equipment manufacturers are going to A2L refrigerants, either R32 or 454B. Those refrigerants are slightly flammable, so you want to make sure that you have sparkless recovery machines and also vacuum pumps. This recovery machine is our Turbo Recover. It's simple to use and extremely easy, and it's extremely fast as well. It's the fastest recovery machine on the market today for 404, 410, and 134A. What makes it so simple, there's only one knob and 2 gauges. You'd plug it in, this little light above the start button, start-stop button will turn green. You hit start, it'll automatically pull down until 10 inches of water column, and then all the contractor would have to do is flip it over to close. They would unscrew all their hoses that would be attached to the equipment, also to the recovery machine. Once the hoses are detached, you then switch it to purge. You hit start again. It'll emit the little bit of refrigerant that was stuck inside the compressor, and it does that so when the contractor goes from system to system, they're not cross-contaminating the refrigerant tanks that they are refilling.
Just a little bit. Don't put some middle, right?
So vacuum pumps are also very important when it comes to these new A2L refrigerants, because once again you want spark-free products, because those refrigerants are a little bit flammable. So a good way to tell which vacuum pumps of Yellowjackets are sparkless and are DC motors is by the color. Our black colored pumps are DC motor sparkless pumps. This one is our Bullet DC. It comes in 7 CFMs. This one is our Super Evac Plus 2 vacuum pump, and you can get this in a couple different models. You can get these in a 4, 6, 8, or 11 CFM. This one has the vacuum gauge indicator, so you can see when you pull in a nice tight vacuum. It also comes with the shoulder strap. Unique to both of these pumps, it has the oil fill reservoir is shaped more like a thermometer than a circle, so it makes it easier to fill. You know, it doesn't have to be as exact.
Now, bring this one to the camera.
So along with the refrigerant change that will be happening over the next year, it's really going to be for both recovery machines, vacuum pumps, but also the gauges and the whole manifold itself. So right now, the most popular gauges have 3 different refrigerants on them. They have 22, 404, and 410A. The most a gauge can have, the most refrigerants a gauge can have on them is 3, as far as the accuracy of the gauge goes. The new refrigerant gauges for the new refrigerant refrigerants are going to have R32, 454B, and 410A. We believe that these new gauges will surpass what are currently the most popular gauges that we manufacture in the next 3 to 4 years. Also, the bottles that have the slightly flammable refrigerants in them, the R32 and the 454B, you're going to need a way to access the refrigerant in those bottles. And the reason why you're going to have a new tool is that those tanks are left-hand threads. All the refrigerants currently are right-hand threads. So this is a left-hand thread adapter, and this is just a hose with a left-hand thread adapter and a ball valve attached to it.
Matt, man, this is awesome, awesome stuff. I mean, how do people find out more about your product?
Sure, so you can go to www.yellowjacket.com, or you can go to any CGNA wholesaler throughout the U.S. or Canada.
Awesome, man. Matt, thanks so much for showing that to us, brother.
Awesome.
Up high.
There we go.
Down low.
I like it.
In the middle.
In the middle.
Golf wave.
There you go. There you go.
Perfect. All right.